It's a Sierra Malibu. But what size is it in? It's in the 29-inch super rare size. Well, it's a tiny fan. I got this fan a couple years ago. Yeah, a couple years ago. In Missouri Facebook Marketplace, or yeah, St. Louis, I think. But I finally installed it with Nolan in my hallway upstairs. This is where the Fanimation crease used to be. The Fanimation crease is now downstairs in the downstairs hallway. But it has a Casablanca K1 with a Casablanca mushroom globe and a Casablanca recalled Hang-Tru. And it does have a recall clip, not really because I'm worried, but it's mostly because it gives some extra clearance, because these are 8 feet ceilings and the fan hangs a little bit low, but since I'm not that tall, I'm only 5'8" or 5'9", I won't be hitting my head on it, so it's fine. So here's the light. There's an appliance bulb in there. It's not that bright, but who cares? It's a hallway. And these are the original Sierra fobs that came with the fan. It's pretty nice. And we will start this fan on low speed. It does hum a bit on all of the speeds, but that's probably because it uses a contrast motor. These fans came in several sizes. Well, the motor is the same, but came in the 29-inch, which is this one, the 42, I think, and 48 was the largest, I think. I may be wrong, but it's somewhere around there. So that's why this fan has such a fast low speed. But it's not surprising, because it's a really small fan, and these fans usually have faster low speeds. But I think this one is way too fast. One, the blade is slightly out of clock, which is why it wobbles a bit. It has slight bearing noise, but I use this fan like 2 times a year, so it's mostly just there for light. Medium. Forgot that this wasn't Casablanca. It's already flying, and this is only medium. The flywheel is actually in really good shape, probably because these blades weigh like nothing, since it's so tiny. And it's a really good air mover too. It's a much better air mover than the crease, but it's also much louder. Now for high. Okay, this fan's way too fast. They should have made like a special motor and special arms for the 29-inch version, because I think they need to make the blades like 20 degrees, and the motor doesn't need to be this big. Okay, now off. It spins down pretty quick because the bearings aren't that great, and the blades are light, so that's why it does that. But it's a really cute fan, and it works really nicely up here. So, thanks for watching. Bye!